The buildings that we live, work, learn, and congregate in rely on extraordinary amounts of water to provide a comfortable and efficient environment. With nearly half a commercial building's water consumption tied to HVAC systems, sustainable water management is more crucial than ever. Flow-Tech is allowing commercial facilities to transform their approach to water treatment while saving hundreds of billions of gallons of water each year. Developed for the oil and gas industry, Flow-Tech's chemical-free water treatment technology has now been embraced by the world's largest corporations. Tech, government, healthcare, hospitality, education, and other facilities trust Flow-Tech to protect equipment, increase system efficiencies, and eliminate unnecessary chemical costs and liabilities. The process begins with a non-invasive installation. Flow-Tech generates and transmits a low-frequency, omnipresent signal into the water and throughout the entire piping network, regardless of flow rate or system size. As the signal travels through the cooling system, it encourages dissolved ions to precipitate as a powder instead of forming scale on equipment. This powder remains in suspension as it flows through the system, providing a natural cathodic corrosion inhibitor, and is harmlessly removed via filtration or blowdown. As a result, operators can safely increase cycles of concentration, reducing blowdown and saving significant amounts of water, all while greatly simplifying their water treatment plan. Flow-Tech also prevents and removes biofilm throughout the system. Unlike previous technologies, Flow-Tech's unique ability to inhibit biofilm was validated using ASHRAE's protocol to evaluate chemical-free technologies and their ability to control sessile bacteria, or biofilm. After numerous technologies failed to beat the control, Flow-Tech achieved 98% inhibition. Physically attacking through electroporation and encapsulation, Flow-Tech dramatically reduces bacteria counts, protects against natural spikes, and mitigates the amplification of Legionella. Flow-Tech protects against both mineral and biological fouling. As a result, commercial facilities can restore and maintain heat transfer efficiency, extend equipment life, and save water and energy, allowing them to achieve environmental goals, minimize maintenance and labor, save money, and reduce dependency on chemicals while mitigating health and safety risks. Implementing Flow-Tech's unique and proprietary water treatment technology can fundamentally shift your approach to sustainable and responsible water management. See what Flow-Tech can do for your facility. Visit our website at flowtechsystems.com to get started.